Hello, tutor and students. My name is Lisana Lopez Medina. I will make the video of step 2 from task A news and levels. The thing I chose for the report was Women Drive Buses in Colombia, level 2. Okay, let's go. Walking through our program today's news. In the broadcast, we will explore fascinating topics already in the world of transport. Women dive buses in Colombia Level 2. In country, water was the gender of limited women's opportunities in certain fields of employment. This break root and determined is challenging and stereotypes and breaking new ground in profession male dominant. Guys or for to read by.